Hi friends, welcome to Blue Dot Electronics. In this video, I am going to explain you how to make a smoke detector. Let's get started. Here is the circuit you can download from the link given in the description. Connect the movable contact of the 10 kΩ potentiometer to third pin of the IC LM358. Connect fourth pin of the IC MOC7811 to one of the fixer points of the potentiometer. Connect third pin of the smoke detector sensor to a 100 ohm resistor. Connect movable contact of the 4.7 kΩ potentiometer to its fixed terminal and another end of the 100 ohm resistor. Connect 33 kΩ resistor to second pin of the smoke detector sensor and second pin of the IC LM358. Connect 100 kΩ resistor to first pin of the IC LM358. Connect another terminal of the resistor to base of the transistor BC547. Connect a 10 kΩ resistor to collector pin of the first transistor and base pin of the second transistor. Connect the negative terminals of the LED and buzzer to collector pin of the second transistor BC547. Connect the 680 ohm resistor to positive terminal of the LED. Connect fourth pin of the IC LM358 to negative pin of 100 microfarad capacitor. Now connect VCC and ground to the components as shown. Now connect the battery clip to the VCC and ground. Connect the battery. Here you can see when the smoke detector detects the smoke, then the LED and buzzer will switch on. Make sure to adjust the variable resistor to detect the smoke by the sensor. Thank you for watching. For any query and feedback, please do comment in the comment box. Do sub, give a like, and don't forget to share. Thank you.